I'm Nathan from Garland Skoda in Aldershot, and today I'll be showing you the different infotainment systems on our Skoda range. The first system we have here is the 6.5-inch swing system, which is only available in the Scala and the Kamiq S, and is the only system which doesn't support SmileLink unless activated by your Skoda dealer. This next system is the 8-inch Bolero. It's available in the models below, and this particular example was filmed on a Kamiq SE. This next system is the 8-inch Amundsen. It's available on the models below. It's the first one with its own standalone sat-nav, and this one was recorded on a Kodiaq SEL Executive. Now onto the 9.2-inch Amundsen, which is available in the Scala SEL, Kamiq SEL, Kamiq Monte Carlo and Scala Monte Carlo. Next up is the 9.2-inch Columbus system, which is available on our higher spec models such as the ones listed below. This particular example is a Kodiaq VRS. Now we have the 10-inch Bolero system, which is only supported by the Octavia SE. Now onto the 10-inch Columbus system, which is very similar to the Bolero, but is supported by the SEL and VRS versions such as this one. Finally, we have the 13-inch system, which applies to all trim levels on the Enyaq. This serves as a control panel for most of the systems on the entire car. Hopefully today's video was helpful. If you have any further questions, just give us a call with the number on the screen now and drop us a like so we can make more videos in the future.